Morning, everyone. We're trying to find a way to pack on the clothes on the bike. We bring a lot of stuff. I'm not sure how the bike can carry us. See there. Doing good, Andy? You're doing good?
Hi all, welcome to yet another video. So today we are heading to Dalat, but this video right now we are not starting from home. We are starting from our very first checkpoint. Guess what? I forgot to apply the filters to GoPro, and the entire video that we shot from our home to the very first checkpoint was gone. They're all so blurred and exposed, so can't use it. So right now we are on the road. We are heading to the lot, and we are heading to our second checkpoint. Say hi, Dave. Say hi.
Hello.
So
Debo, is it good?
we had our second checkpoint at around around 149th kilometer. So we roughly covered 130 plus kilometers. The next couple of kilometers is more about the hills, and you climb. I think so. Hope it's gonna be fine. All right. So right now we are at the border between Dong Nai and Lam Dong. It's the province where Dalat is. So we had to do our medical declaration there. Yeah, basically that was it. And we were off. It took us like 15 to 20 minutes, majorly because there was a huge crowd of Harley Davidson riders. So yeah, that was it, and we were off, and we hit the road in no time. Okay guys, guess what? We had lunch, but yeah, I just showed you guys a photo, but we didn't take any video over there. Yeah, and then we took off immediately, so it's like it's roughly around 90 kilometers more to the lot.
You have an ant on your neck.
Okay, so look at the flowers, pretty nice.
Yeah, pretty nice. And guess what he just did with those flowers? Just full water.
No other go. So, gotta do it. Alright, let's go. after an hour of riding, we really wanted to take a break. So, we didn't want to find any place. We didn't want to sit down for quite a long period of time. So we just took a short break on the side of the road, uh, just to stretch our back and have some water, probably get a biscuit in. So yeah, that was it, and then we were off again.
In 300 meters, turn left.
This way.
This is the road to homestay. All good, Andy? Oh, okay.
Turn right. You will arrive at your destination.
Let me go down. Stop here, stop here, stop here. Let me go down. Oh my god. Oh,
I think the bike
You
has
have
it.
arrived.
wait.
Thank you.
Eh. Good job. Good job, boy.
So we finally arrived to our homestay. Just parked our bike over there and walking downstairs. Oh, we could park our bike here. After arriving at the resort, we enjoyed the view, had some food, coffee, met some furry friends, went and settled in our cozy place, and they cooked some amazing food. And yeah, that was it. Good morning, guys. Woke up, done with the morning chores, and we just opened up the curtains, and you should see the view. The view is pretty damn good. Hope you guys saw that. And guess what? Nyung is still on bed.
I need to stick.
So guys, we just got out hoping that we'll get some breakfast and a cup of coffee so that I can chill and probably read a book. Right now we're just enjoying the sunrise and the whole this place is totally covered in green and it's so beautiful. It's a beautiful morning. Hey bud. Sun is right up there. He's very friendly. That guy looks exactly like Goa. Our 2-day stay at Doi Mot Nguoi was just amazing. The sunrise, oh man, that's just superb. All right, and the coffee, the food, everything was just perfect. We had 2 blissful days over there, and we were off to another resort for another 3-day stay. That's another video for another day. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.